Hello, I'm Alex from Promonoise, and today I have the pleasure of talking to you about problems. Yes, that's right. As a promotional products distributor, you have a few problems, one of which is often supply chain disruption. And I'm talking about a natural disaster that prevents the boat from getting overseas to our continent. I'm talking about a port strike or maybe a port closure. Regardless, these types of things happen and they prohibit us from getting goods to our end users, something that's really important for our businesses. So I'm going to tell you today that Amacor Printz, an unbelievable decorator of promotional products, has come out with a knitwear line that is made here in North America. Yes, that's right! No supply chain disruption whatsoever because it's made here. And all of the decoration is also made here, produced here, applied here in North America. Hallelujah! From beanies to scarves to neck warmers to high visibility headwear to combo packs and even a high-end line of all of the things I've just talked about. This is the type of knitwear that you can expect from Amacor Printz. And let me tell you something. In a previous video, and you're going to have to check that out by checking out the description below, I talked all about Amacor Printz's revolutionary decorating capabilities. They are leading the charge in North America. And now with this knitwear, you can put it all together. So you can decorate with gorgeous patches just like the one I'm wearing right now. And I'll tell you, this one is my favorite. It's got my logo on it. I love it. And they've used a technology called 3D Tech Patch. This is silicone on here with a knockout that is showing the color of the hat right through. So you see those sound waves coming through as the color of the hat I'm wearing. Isn't that amazing? You can also get Reflect Tech. Hey, if I'm wearing a beanie and I'm doing that at 6 in the morning as I'm running, at least my patch is reflective and cars are going to see that as they're approaching me. So this is the type of technology that you can expect from Amacor Printz. In addition to that, if you wanted to make it look vintage, you might use their Flock Tech, or you might even use their beautiful faux leather. Whether you decorate that with a marrowed edge or you've got zigzag stitching, this company knows what they're doing when it comes to decoration. And now with this unbelievable line of knitwear, you have to check them out because they are going to solve your problems when it comes to supply chain disruption. Amacor Printz is the company, and they can be found at amacorprintz.com. I am Alex from Promonoise. I want to keep making beautiful noise, and I want you to check out this unbelievable company, Amacor Printz. Thank you, and we'll see you at the next video review.